So today we're gonna learn how to crochet number 1. It's a new series of how to crochet numbers. We'll start with number 1 and we will end with 0. So this is a very simple way. It's a big number. You can use whichever yarn you like, thin or thick, and with the recommended crochet hook of the given yarn. Here I'm using a medium worsted yarn acrylic and 3mm crochet hook. So we'll start right away. You can find the written pattern linked in the description box. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I will chain 8. So this is 8 chains. In the second chain from the hook, second chain 1 and 2, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet. So not this one, this one. Single crochet in every chain. We will get 7 single crochets. And in the last chain, which is the 7th one, 1 single crochet. This is the first row. Now the next row will be repeated for a total of 15 times. I'm gonna chain 1 and I will single crochet in every stitch. And I will repeat, as I said, for total of 15 times. So here I have finished row 15 and I'm gonna continue to row 16. Again, chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. Okay, and from this point I'm gonna chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What I'm gonna do, in the second chain from the hook again, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet. Single crochet in every chain. I'm gonna obtain 5. Okay, and I'm gonna turn the first piece and continue single crochet. Now row 17, I'm gonna chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. So now row 19, we're gonna start shaping the number 1. So I'm gonna make 2 single crochet together in the first 2 stitches. So what I'm gonna do, insert the hook, pull the yarn, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull the yarn. I've got 3 loops, pull all together. That's 2 single crochet together, and I'm gonna continue with 1 single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. Like here. Row 20, I'm gonna chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. Row 21, I'm going to repeat row 19. So chain 1 and 2 single crochet together, another decrease. So all the decreases happen starting from this side, and 1 single crochet in every stitch. Chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch without any decrease. Chain 1 and again 1 decrease, 2 single crochet together, and continue. So I'm gonna continue till row 27 with 1 row of decrease and 1 normal row. I will finish it and I will come back to show you the final results with a recap. and this is row 27, the last row of the pattern. And this is how it looks like. So at the end, the last round must be the same, the equal number of stitches of the first number. Means here we have 7 stitches, here we should have 7 stitches as well, and that's how you know you did your pattern right. I hope the pattern was easy and helpful, and I'll see you on the next number. Bye bye.